The Graduate Management Admission Test is an internationally recognized exam used by business schools around the world to measure an applicant's readiness for an MBA or other kind of business master's program. The GMAT is a long test, over 3 hours of testing time with a couple of short breaks, that tests the verbal, mathematical, and analytical skills that a student has acquired over his academic career. It's really challenging. It tests not just your knowledge of math and English, but also your problem-solving and critical thinking skills. You need a solid understanding of math and grammar, as well as the ability to read and analyze academic texts. But you also need to be efficient and strategic. You need to learn how to pace yourself, answer questions quickly, and avoid traps. With the help of a GMAT expert, you can master these concepts and hone these skills in a matter of weeks. My name is Bob Stanton, but they call me 800 Bob because of my perfect GMAT score. I'm not just a successful test taker, I'm a teacher. I've been teaching GMAT courses for over 40 years, starting with when I was a graduate student at Yale, then in New York and Paris, and now here at EAS Milano. Here at EAS Milan, I teach live group lessons throughout the year. Courses last from 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the intensity. The first lesson is always free, so you have the opportunity to find out firsthand whether it suits you. Because I teach on a continuous cycle, we're very flexible here. If you miss a lesson, you can recuperate it at another time. You can even repeat lessons if you want for a period of 6 months at no extra cost. In addition to the live lessons, you get a math and grammar review manual, you get thousands of practice questions, and you get access to our online GMAT forum, where you have 24/7 opportunity to ask me anything you want about the GMAT. A lot of other GMAT courses out there focus on elimination and guessing techniques. Here we go beyond that. I teach the math, the grammar, and the logic that you need to know for the GMAT, and provide you with legitimate techniques for answering the questions accurately and quickly. In a nutshell, I teach you how to pick the right answer. So come on and join us in our course, and I'll help you get the best score you can get.